Smart Habits presents 10 interesting psychology facts about criminals. Today, we will discuss some interesting facts about crime and criminal behavior. Crime and criminal behavior have always been a topic of great interest for psychologists, criminologists, and the general public. What makes some people commit crimes while others don't? How do biology, psychology, and society affect criminal behavior? So, let's discuss some interesting facts about crime and criminal behavior that can help us understand their behavior better. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Psychopaths are often charming and charismatic. One of the most well-known psychological facts about criminals is that many of them are psychopaths. Psychopaths are people who lack empathy and have a tendency to engage in impulsive and reckless behavior. However, what many people don't know is that psychopaths can also be extremely charming and charismatic, which is why they can be successful in their criminal endeavors. Fact number 2. Criminal behavior can be linked to genetics. Studies have shown that there is a strong genetic component to criminal behavior. Some individuals may have a genetic predisposition towards aggression and violence, which can make them more likely to engage in criminal activity. Fact number 3. Childhood trauma can increase the risk of criminal behavior. Childhood trauma, such as physical abuse, sexual abuse, or neglect, can have a significant impact on a person's development. Individuals who experience trauma in childhood are more likely to engage in criminal behavior later in life. Fact number 4. Criminals often have poor impulse control. Many criminals have poor impulse control, which means they struggle to resist immediate gratification and are more likely to engage in impulsive and risky behavior. This can lead to criminal behavior, as they may act on impulse without considering the consequences of their actions. Fact number 5. Drug and alcohol abuse can contribute to criminal behavior. Substance abuse, including drug and alcohol abuse, is a major contributing factor to criminal behavior. Many individuals who engage in criminal activity do so under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Fact number 6. Criminal behavior can be influenced by peer pressure. Peer pressure is a powerful force that can influence a person's behavior, especially during adolescence. Many individuals who engage in criminal behavior do so because they are influenced by their peers. Fact number 7. Criminals often have low self-esteem. Low self-esteem can contribute to criminal behavior, as individuals may turn to criminal activity as a way to gain a sense of power or control. Criminal behavior can also be a way for individuals to prove themselves to others. Fact number 8. Criminals may have difficulty regulating their emotions. Many criminals struggle with emotional regulation, which means they have difficulty managing their emotions and responding appropriately to different situations. This can lead to impulsive and violent behavior. Fact number 9. Criminal behavior can be influenced by environmental factors. Environmental factors, such as poverty, unemployment, and social inequality, can contribute to criminal behavior. Individuals who live in disadvantaged environments may be more likely to engage in criminal activity as a way to survive or as a way to protest against their circumstances. Fact number 10. Criminal behavior can be prevented and treated. While criminal behavior is complex and multifaceted, it is not inevitable. There are many prevention and treatment programs available that can help individuals who are at risk of engaging in criminal behavior. With the right support and resources, individuals can overcome the factors that contribute to criminal behavior and lead successful, fulfilling lives. So, there you have it. 10 interesting psychology facts about criminals. While criminal behavior is complex and multifaceted, understanding the psychology behind it can help us prevent and treat criminal behavior more effectively. I hope you learned something new today and enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching and see you again.